so sweet, they make a yummy treat to eat. Need blue, blue, up in the sky, look, a big blue butterfly. What colors, colors everywhere, let's find them here and over there. Red, blue, yellow, green, the prettiest colors you've ever seen. And yellow, yellow, bright like the sun, shining down on everyone. So green, green leaves on trees, swaying gently in the breeze. Can you find something red? Look around. It's time to play something red. Great, now can you find something yellow? Wow, you're so smart. Wow, you're so smart. You purple, purple grapes around, tasty treats that can be found. Orange, orange, pumpkins glow, in the fall they start to grow. Of colors, colors, one by one, learning them is so much fun. Now you know them, say out loud, I love colors, I'm so proud. Great job, friends, now you know your colors. Keep singing, keep learning, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. I'm colors, colors, one by one, learning them is so much fun. Now you know them, say out loud, I love colors, I'm so proud. Bye-bye.